conceals the past. No warmth remains, no bond can last. The distant shapes all fade from view, like every promise I once knew. A breath of frost begins to grow. It speaks the truth I feel below. I hear it close, I feel it so. A quiet force I've come to know. The cold wind knows why hidden me. Nothing in life will stay the same. I thought our hearts all turned to snow. Only the cold wind truly knows. The ice below is hard and still. It bends but never breaks to will. No hand relays, no